have already received my 100k milliampere power supply from Tranyo. Pwedeng mag-charge ng cellphones dito ng sabay-sabay. It has 4 USB charging ports and pwede din mag-charge ng laptop dito, especially for those working from home na kailangan ng power supply pero affordable. So ito yung pinaka-affordable na get ko. Mabilis din dumating. Ang ganda ng quality. Nakita nyo naman. Super sleek. Ayan. I like the orange handle here. Medyo mabigat siya in fairness. Pero portable pa rin siya kahit na medyo may kabigatan siya. Pwede mo siyang dalhin sa beach. If you're gonna go to an island with your friends, you can surprise them with this. Siguro makikicharge sila sa'yo. Dumating siya ng 70% and 3.9 namin. And yeah, I'm so happy with this product and must buy. Must have.